This Hofacker Associates Incorporated property video is presented by Craig Williams. Location, location, location. This 2-bedroom 1-bath home in Barnard Erastus Subdivision is ready for renovation. This home does not require flood insurance and is close to downtown, shopping, and waterfront Coffee Pot Bayou. This home has a formal dining room, large Florida room and living room. Both bedrooms have cedar closets. The floors are currently covered with carpet, but has hardwood floors underneath it. There is a 1-car garage and also a carport with alley entrance. This charmer will not last. For more information, review the details below or contact Craig Williams at 813-340-0956.